Are you new to Forex and you're really wondering what Forex is all about? Well, look no further because in this video, I'll be telling you what you need to know about Forex. I will do this in a 2 video series, so do make sure to watch till the end and watch out for the next video. Let's get into it. So what is Forex? Well, Forex simply means foreign exchange. So if you've gone to another country perhaps and you have exchanged currencies with them, giving your local currency to collect the currency of the new country you just went to, you just participated in foreign exchange. So what Forex does is that Forex brings this to a platform for you to be able to trade different currency pairs together in determining either price is going to go up for that particular currency pair, or if price is going to come down for that particular currency pair. That is basically what Forex is all about. And you may be wondering, with the amount of people who is doing Forex now, how am I going to be able to make money in this Forex? Well, the answer is in this thing. It said about $3 trillion worth of foreign exchange is traded globally every day. So there's a lot of money to go around in Forex. So don't worry, just have rest of mind. You're going to make money in Forex. There's a lot of money to make in Forex. All you need to do is do it the right way and take it step by step, and then you are going to be able to become profitable, become one of the profitable traders in the whole world. So there's a lot of money to go around in Forex. And you may also be wondering, how long does the Forex market open for? The Forex market is open 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. It only closes during the weekends. That is how Forex operates. So mind you, you also need to note that every day the market closes somewhere around 11 p.m. and opens around 12 a.m. the next morning. So you have to also take note of that when you are trading. According to the Bank for International Settlements and the preliminary global results from the 2022 Triennial Central Bank Survey of Foreign Exchange show that trading in Forex market averaged 7.5 trillion per day in April 22. This is up from 6.6 trillion in April 29. I mean, I checked for this update when that was around 2021 when I checked this update, and when I saw the update, I saw it was around 6.6 trillion. When I checked it this year, I was astonished because I saw Forex has increased again to 7.5 trillion dollars. People, it is trillion dollars, not million, not billion, trillion dollars. There is a lot of money in Forex and you can really make it big in Forex. But mind you, Forex is not a make it quick scheme. It is not a make it rich instantly. No. You have to go through some process. You have to learn step by step before you become profitable in Forex. All of this is very, very possible and very, very easy. All you just need to do is follow the guidelines, and I'll be making videos for you. I'll be making episodic videos for you so that you can know how to do this thing step by step, and you're going to become profitable in Forex in a space of months. So this is astonishing. There is a lot of money in Forex and you just need to know that. And here you can see the breakdown of how this 7.3 trillion dollars is broken down. So now let's get into how currencies are traded. Now, all currencies are assigned a 3-letter code. As you can see in the picture, you see the euro, it has the symbol of EUR. The symbol for the US dollar is USD. And then the symbol for the Japanese yen is JPY. The symbol for the Great Britain pound is GBP. The symbol for Swiss franc is CHF. And the symbol for Australian dollar is AUD. And the symbol for New Zealand dollar is NZD. So these are the symbols for this, and mind you, these are the 7 major currencies in Forex that the world trades. So what they do is that they pair these currencies together to make different currency pairs, and these are the major pairs that people trade. And I'll be showing you the major currency pairs that people trade. This is just them singularly, but they are going to be paired together. Like for instance, you are going to have euro and the US dollar paired together to make euro USD. I'm going to show you how that looks like in the coming slides to go. So now let's get into how Forex trades are quoted. Now you need to know that when you see, look at this picture, whenever you want to place a trade, this is what this euro/USD you see, that is how the currency pairs are going to look like on your MT4 platform. You are going to use something called an MT4 platform. Don't worry if you are wondering what an MT4 platform is. I'm going to make a video doing an in-depth tour of MT4 platform so that you're going to know how to operate your MT4 platform when you are ready to trade. So let's continue what we're discussing. Now you're going to see the currency pairs like this. Now this is how to read this currency pair. The currency pair on the left is called the base currency, while the currency pair on the right is called the quote currency. So now the price that you see under it, 1.1051/1.1053, that is the price of the quote currency, meaning you are going to need 1.1051 to be able to buy or sell euro, to buy 1 unit of euro. So let us look at it this way. Let us do it like this. Let's say gold cost $1,800 for 1 bar. Now what that means is that you are going to have to give $1,800 to be able to collect 1 gold bar. So, and gold is one of the currency the traded, it's called a metal in forex, so you trade gold. Now that what that means is that you are for instance, now what you are going to see for gold is XAU/USD, and what you will see as the quote currency, which is the price that they are going to write underneath it, is you will see something like 1800. What that means is that you would need 1,800 units of the US dollar to get just 1 bar of gold. That's the meaning, and that is what it means also for this euro USD. So now you can see that in this very next slide, that if the euro USD exchange rate is 1.2, that means 1 euro will buy $1.20. That's what it means. Or put another way, it will cost $1.20 to buy 1 euro. Now if you look at this slide, this I told you I was going to show you the list of the major forex currency pairs. Now look at the picture here. These are the major forex currency pairs that are traded in the whole world. So if you are going to be new to forex, these are the currency pairs that I advise that you trade. Why? Because these pairs, by the time you get into the charts, you will see that these are the pairs that are moving frequently. They have very high volatility and liquidity. So you have, these are the currency pairs that you are advised to trade. Don't go and be trading some currency pairs like Swiss franc to JPY. No, don't go and trade all those kinds. All those ones, you will lose your money. So the one that is best advised for you to use is currencies like euro USD, USD JPY, and the likes. So that is the end of today's video. Now I want you to do something. If you've learned something from this video, just hit that like button and hit the subscribe and turn on your notifications so that every time I release a video, YouTube is going to notify you that I have released a video. And watch out for the next video coming up. In the next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to start trading forex, and you are going to learn the step-by-step way to do this, and you're going to become a profitable trader in the space of months. So see you in the next video.